Hi friends, today we are starting our series for automation testing using Selenium, and we'll be using Python as a programming language. So Selenium is an open source tool, and it can automate your web application. So Selenium has three parts: Selenium WebDriver, Selenium IDE, and Selenium Grid. Selenium IDE is something which can be used as a plugin for Chrome and Firefox as of now, and it has record and playback feature which interacts with your browser and records the actions which you have performed, and you can play back them to run your tests automatically. So this is Selenium IDE, and then we have Selenium Grid. So this Selenium Grid is used for distributed testing. So when we need to execute our script on several machine and different environment, then the Selenium Grid is required. The main thing which we will be using in tutorial is Selenium WebDriver. So we'll explain and use this in detail in this session. So let's move toward the installation part. So in the beginning we need to start with installing the Python. So for installing Python, you need to go to the Python website. So on the website, in the download section, you can see that the Python version is available. Need to download this version. As you can see, I have already downloaded it. Then from the JetBrains site, we need to download the PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE for Python. So you can download this community version. This is free. I have also downloaded it, and so these are the two software that we need to download. After installing them, we'll move towards how we can install Selenium. So briefly I can tell you, we will be using cmd command prompt on your system to download Selenium libraries. So let's start with the installation. First I am installing Python, so I'm clicking this exe. Okay, so this installer window gets open. On this window, make sure to select add python 3.8 to path. So this will automatically add path variable for the Python, and this is very important step. Please make sure this is checked. Click on install now. So it will take some time. Okay, so setup was successful. We can close this. Okay, so after Python, we'll be installing PyCharm. So I'm clicking on this exe. Click on next. Select this launcher. Add launcher to the path and .py. And next. So this will start installing PyCharm. This will take some time. So we need to reboot the system, or we can select I want to manually reboot later. Okay, so this is how we'll install PyCharm. So the best way to check whether it is working, you need to open this CMD, and in that type pip space list. So this is how we get to know about the packages which are already installed. So right now it is showing us a warning that the pip version is not updated, so we'll update that. Type this python space -m space pip install upgrade space pip. This will update the pip version. After that we will install Selenium. So as you can see, it is updating. Okay, so pip got updated. Now let me go back to our ppt which says install Selenium using this command. So let's take this out and type pip install -U Selenium, enter. So you can see it is installing Selenium. Okay, so Selenium got installed successfully. So the best way to cross check the Selenium version is go back to the CMD, run the pip space list, and as you can see Selenium and its version is mentioned, so our Selenium got installed. So guys, that's it about today's session, and in the next session we'll do hands-on on the setup which we have created today. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please comment, share, and do subscribe the channel if you are new. So see you in the next session. Thank you.